Welcome to this episode of Revised Science with me. I will be your science coach to guide you through a revision session that will enable you to get the retrieval practice you need to get the maximum marks in your science exams. This is not a substitute for understanding, but it will support you in memorizing the immense number of facts that are required in your science GCSE exams. This video will coach you to make and use an interactive revision tool to help you to revise the properties of simple covalent molecules, metallic structures, ionic structures, and giant covalent structures. For this session, you will need 20 minutes, complete attention and focus, a quiet space to write, an A3 sheet of paper, a pack of sticky notes, a decent pen or marker or felt tip, a ruler to draw neat lines, and a source of information that could be your science exercise book from school, that could be a revision guide, but make sure that it is the correct exam board and tier, whether foundation or higher, that you are entered for. It could also be a textbook or any other relevant source of information. If you need to get the equipment listed, you can press pause now. Step 1. First divide the A3 sheet into 4 equal columns. Pause now to complete. Step 2. Label each column with the following headings: simple covalent, giant covalent, giant ionic, and giant metallic. Pause now to complete. Third step, write a property of each substance on an individual sticky note. Pause now to complete. Finally, close your original source of information, remove all the sticky notes, and shuffle them up. Try and replace the sticky notes back into the correct column. Pause now to complete. Right, you have now made an interactive revision tool. This should not have taken more than 20 minutes to create. But now that you have made it, you can use it to help you remember the properties of these types of materials. Spend another 20-minute session revising to try and put the sticky notes back into the right columns. Each time, check your answers with the source material, or to make it a little bit easier, you can write the answers in pencil on the reverse of the A3 sheet. Time how quickly you have been able to replace the sticky notes correctly. Repeat this during the 20-minute session as many times as you can. The faster you get, the better your memory. And you can use a stopwatch to support you with this. Reuse this interactive revision tool for a minimum of 6 20-minute revision sessions before your exam. If you haven't already put together a revision timetable, you should get that done. I do have a template that you can edit. You can get that from the link in the description box below. You should remember the properties of these materials if you use the revision tool as I have described. Remember to follow this up with the past paper exam questions, and you can find these online, and I have included a link in the description that can help you with this. Good luck.